Hello, KGA Pirates. It's Mr. Mike. It's good to be with you. Today, I have something special for you. We're going to be doing math today, some math in English. We've done a lot of English lessons, so today we're going to look at some math. And I think you know some of this already, but I wanted to teach it to you in English to help you with the words in English. So let's get started on this adventure of math. That is the word math. And they're very excited to start with math. There's that short A sound. Math. Math. Let's go. Before we start, I wanted to talk to you about number 4. The number 4. Because it's a strange number when people write it. They make it different ways. All of these are number 4s, but each one's a little different. Now, I want to show you the best way, I think, to make the number 4. When you write it, I think this is the best way for you to do it. Watch how I do it here. First, you start at the top and you draw a line down. Pretty simple. Straight line down. And then you start at the bottom of that, like this, and draw a line over. So it looks like the letter L. See that? And then you need one more line. You start at the top and you draw down, just like that. It's a nice number 4. If you make a number 4 like the one on the page above it, sometimes they start to look like 9s or P's or Q's. They get kind of messy. So I'd like to see you make your 4s like this when we do writing of numbers. Okay? Now I'm going to show you another way to do the same 4, and both of these are correct. This one will look a little different. Watch how I do it. Draw a straight line down and a straight line over, just like the other one, like an L. Now this time, look what happens when I draw my line down. See how it crosses over? That's okay. You could do that. That's a good way to make a number 4. Do you see right here? A little tail sticking out? That is very nice. It's okay if it does that. Okay? So either of those 4s are good. So be nice and neat when you make your 4. Okay? And there's one more thing we're going to talk about before we start our lesson. Number lines. These are all number lines. There's all kinds of number lines. The one on the top there is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The one below that is 0 through 10. And look at the bottom one. That starts with 0 and goes all the way up to 20. And wait till you see the next one. Look at that number line. That's one number line. It starts up here at 0, or at 0 and 1, and it goes all the way down there. Look at that, to 100. That's a huge number line. But we're not going to use that today. This is the number line we're going to use today. It starts with 0 and goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think you already know how to do that. You've done that with Miss Stella a lot. But that's the number line we're going to use today. Now, let's get on our math adventure. Hello. There are two kinds of numbers that we talk about sometimes, odd and even. You might know a little bit about it, but I want to make sure you understand what those numbers are. We're not going to do odds today. We're going to talk about even numbers. Even numbers. Now, if you know a little bit about even numbers, I still need you to listen because I'm going to show you some really interesting stuff about even numbers. Okay? Let's go. Even. That has a long E and a short E in the same word. Even. 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 And here are the even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's it. If you know those are even numbers, you're going to know all the even numbers in the world. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Even. Even numbers. Okay, here's our number line. Now I want to show you, where do even numbers come from? How do we get them? And why do we call them even numbers? Well, we're going to find out today. Here's where they come from on the number line. First, we start right here. We start with 0. That's the first even number. 0. And then we count up. But we don't go to 1. We skip count. We skip over or jump over number 1 like this. And we go to 2. And that's the next even number. So far we have 0 and 2. Now we have to keep skipping. We keep jumping. So we jump over 3 and we go to 4. And that's our next even number. And we do the same thing again. Jump over that 5, jump right over it, and go to the 1 after it. There we go. We've got 6. So far, we have 4 even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay, the next one, we go to 7. No, we jump over 7. We go right to 8. And there's our last one for today. 8. You've got it. Our even numbers. There's our number line. And where are our even numbers? Count them with me. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Those are even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. You got it. Those are even numbers. Even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's it. That's what you need to learn today. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The even numbers. Okay, here's our number line again. And let's find our even numbers. We start with 0. And then what do? We skip count. Oh, jump over to 2. And then we jump over to 4. There's a nice 4. See that number 4 there? That's how I'd like you to draw them. And where's next? What's next? 5? No, not 5. We jump to 6. There it is. There's our 6, our next. And now 7? Nope. You got it. We jump up to 8. So there we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now let's look at these numbers. Let's see if you can tell me, is this number even or not? 6. Is that an even number? If you're not sure, look on the number line. 0, 2, 4, 6. Yep, there's 6. It's there. It's an even number. Let's look at this one now. 0. Is that an even number? Yeah, that's easy. That's the first one. 0. Now you tell me about this next one. Is this number even or not? Yep, you got it. 8. 8. There it is on the number line. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's an even number. And let's do the last one together. 2. Is that even? Sure is. There it is. Right after 0. 0, 2. 2. I think you know a lot of these already. Let's go on and look at some more interesting stuff about even numbers. Even. There you go. Those are our even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's see, is that an even number? Sure is. It's right now, number 4. 8. 2. And 0. So the first one there, 4. Here we go. Here's our even numbers again. Read them with me. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Those are even numbers. How about 0? Is that even? Yep, sure is. You got it. It's the first one there. There's a good number. I like this number, 7. That's an even number, right? No. Is it in the list? No, we skipped over 7. That is not an even number. Nope. Well, how about this one? 4. Yeah, it is. See it? 0, 2, 4. 4 is an even number. You got it. Here's a hard one. 9. 9. Nope, not an even number. It's not on our list. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It's not an even number. Good job, guys. Let's look at some more information about even numbers. Even numbers. Can I share? Or I like to say, can I share and be fair? Let's see what that has to do with even numbers. Oh, I see 4 gold coins there. Well, let's make sure. Let's count them first. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. We've got 4 gold coins. Now we're going to share them with the boy and the girl. Let's see if we can share them and be fair. If it's fair, if they get the same amount, then they're even number. If they don't get the same amount of coins, then it's not even. Let's see. Let's give one to the girl. She's got 1 coin. We still have some left. Let's give one to the boy. Do we have any more? Yeah, there's more. Let's give another one to the girl. And now let's give the last one to the boy. Let's see, how many coins does the girl have now? 1, 2. She has 2 gold coins. How about the boy? Does he have 2 gold coins? Yep, he does. They have the same. When we shared the coins, they each got 2 coins. So then we would say that is even, because they each have the same coins now. Very good job. Even. They both got the same amount. Even. Okay, we're still working on even. Here's our number line again. 0. We jump over 1, go to 2. And then we skip count and we go to 4. We skip over 5, we go to 6. Skip over 6 and go to 8. There you got it. That's how we got our even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's our even. Okay, you ready for your homework? Here you go. Get ready. You're going to need a little help from mommy or daddy. They can help you with this. It's really easy. I need you to take 2 pictures. Just 2 pictures. You can ask your mom or your dad if you can use their mobile phone and take 2 pictures. Now, what are you going to take pictures of? I want you to take pictures of even number. Okay? And then send it on WeChat. Send me the picture of even numbers. Here's some examples of what you can do. You don't have to do exactly what I did, but this is one way you could do it. So I took this picture, and let's count what I have here. 1, 2. I have 2 apples. Is that an even number? Yep, that's it. That's a great picture. You could send me a picture like that. 2 apples, 2 bananas, 2 shoes. That's an even number. Let me show you another example. Oh, look at these colored pencils. These are Mrs. Henry's colored pencils. I borrowed them. She was working on your art lesson for this week, so I borrowed her pencils. Let's count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I count 8. Is that an even number? Sure is, yes. So that would be a good picture if you had 8 colored pencils or 8 pencils or 8 crayons. That would be a really good picture to send of even numbers. I have one more example for you. There's some chopsticks. I got some chopsticks out of the cabinet, and let's count them. Let's make sure they're even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I count 6. Is that an even number? Sure is. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Those are even numbers. So let's review your homework. For your homework, I need you to take 2 pictures. You can do more if you want, but I need at least 2. Take 2 pictures. And what's in your pictures? Even number. And then send it on WeChat. Send the pictures to me, to Mr. Mike on WeChat. Your mom or dad can help you with that. Okay, now if they're busy, don't bug them. Wait till they have time to help you. You might be ready to do the pictures, but maybe mommy's not ready. She might be working or doing something else. You just wait for her, okay? She wants to help you, but you just have to wait. All right? Then, there's something else you can do. I have 2 videos for you. This is a math video with our crazy guy here. And I want you to watch this video. It's all about math and numbers and how we can look at numbers. And I've heard Miss Stella teach you these kinds of things. But here's some really cool ones in this video. You can see there's a number line up there with the number 8 circled. Okay? Watch that video. And then there's another video. And this is a fun story about a chameleon. And he's mixed up. He's like confused. The mixed up chameleon. It's a really good story. And I think you're going to enjoy it. So you can just listen to the story. Okay? So have some fun with even numbers. I look forward to getting your pictures. And have a great day. Bye-bye.